downgradation of status of America in this world scenario. Ji ma'am.
Indeed, and speaking of trade, I'd also like to shift focus to a more softer aspect of what exactly transpired yesterday, and I'd like to rope in Mr. Alok Mehta on this. In fact, I want to discuss the gifts in particular. US President Donald Trump gifted Prime Minister Modi a signed copy of their journey together, featuring photos from Howdy Modi, Namaste Trump during the interaction at the Oval Office. He also presented this memorable memento, which in fact had Mr. Prime Minister, you are great written on it. Meanwhile, Prime Minister, of course, has also been presenting gifts. We, of course, saw his interaction with Elon Musk, where he presented some books to Musk's children. We also saw the interaction with the US Vice President J.D. Vance earlier, where he had gifted some toys. In fact, there was a railway set also that was given, some books on India's art, whether it is the Madhubani in particular, they were also shared. Now, speaking of toys in particular, we've seen the Finance Minister of India during her budget speech in the Parliament highlight India's potential to be a toy exporter. We've seen how India's toy exports have burgeoned over the last couple of years. The manufacturing and the exports have boomed. So, as far as realizing India's Atmanirbharta and our vision for self-reliance, what exactly is sending out these toys as gifts, and what message are we sending out with this to the world?
A very good morning. I think this is a very whole night we were watching what was happening in Washington. You see, this kind of personal relations, earlier also the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very successful in that sense. And that's why the gift and all the presentation. I think the other thing, you just see what the gesture by President Trump. He said that he is a best, great negotiator. I can't compare with him. So you can imagine what our friend just now was talking about, that we are taking everybody is equal. But you see, now the India is like a superpower. You see, with European Union, also they have some reservations by President Trump. With China, they have some competition and number of questions over there. But with Russia, Putin, he is also trying his best relations through India also. So I think India is becoming, instead of Britain or France, becoming more close to United States. And that's why these kind of relations, what you talk about, the toys, the trade. But the bigger question is how in the world India will play a major role, and trade will also go on, because the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said not only for 2030, he is talking for 10 years. So for 2030, $500 billion trade is okay. And that's why he said that negotiations will go on. Our team will work, both sides, team will work on this, because it depends on the product and product. One side, and we emphasize, the India emphasized by Modi, that we need transfer technology. When you talk about the nuclear energy, then also you have to do, and defense, come here, do the trade, we also export from here, bring like a Rafale, we also have a negotiations on that you will also manufacture in India. So big questions on defense, and especially for terrorism. You see, openly President Trump said the Islamic terrorism we want to fight. You can imagine who is suffering because of the Pakistan terrorism. Mostly the India is suffering since long 20 years. That's why the openly President Trump talking about it and supporting especially this Rana, who was a 2611 culprit and terrorist. He will be back to India and get the punishment. He will be hanged, I think, because the Indian judicial system is such that it was a massacre what he did in Mumbai. So we can't forget that. And since long, the court and all procedure was going on. Same thing, the other gangsters or the criminals and the terrorist supporters will be out from United States, or they will be controlled by Trump administration. So I think these kind of trade relations, certainly for Elon Musk, he said there is no need for deal with him, because we deal with Trump and Elon Musk I have a good relations. So the topmost number one advisor of the Trump he with Elon Musk met Prime Minister Modi with his family. You can imagine. And the Prime Minister mentioned also that since Gujarat days, when he was Chief Minister, Elon Musk used to meet and he is a good friend. So he's a very friendly capitalist, top of the world. Elon Musk is ready to come maximum investment or for Tesla and other things. So I think this kind of technology for artificial intelligence also. So when we talk about the trade, it's depending on time everywhere. Even in budget, Nirmala Sitharamanji, Finance Minister, gives some for the insurance 100% investment from outside. It gives an indication. So we are indicated in our policy is not nowadays budget. Every month we review, depend on product and product. Sometime what tariff we will charge from for export or import. So these kind of relations, I think, is a very major development. After a long time, I think after independence, such a prime minister who is third time becoming prime minister continues the relations, maintaining with simultaneously with Russia, with Europe and Britain and United States. That's why I think this visit is a very, very fruitful in that sense. Can't go for just how much, which tariff will be there on which product. It's not a small product. The whole defense for F-35, what we are talking. You see, F-35, before that they want to sell the F-60, the others, and some, because it's like a Rafale also, we need some technology for F-35. Before that, we have to purchase something more for defense, for air, for sea, and we have also options for nuclear with France and Russia. So we are in a superior position than United States. United States want to counter China. If they want to counter China, they have to depend on the India. And that's why Prime Minister Modi is very successful negotiator with Trump, who is the, I think, I have not seen such a president who talk like this in a one day, 100 orders and tariff and everything he decided. So these kind of to negotiate with Trump and become a successful and accepted by Trump, it shows that in trade also, we will not get any deficit in long term.
Indeed, and we're also being joined by Dr. Jejit